Trump considers firing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, what it means. In a surprising wave of speculation that has sent ripples through financial markets, President Trump recently hinted at the possibility of dismissing Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, a move that has raised eyebrows and ignited a heated discussion about the independence of the Federal Reserve. The president expressed frustration over Powell's hesitance to cut interest rates, a decision he believes is pivotal for bolstering the economy amidst escalating economic challenges. During a meeting with Bahraini Crown Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa in the White House Oval Office, Trump was approached by reporters on this contentious topic. He mentioned that he is not actively planning to fire Powell, however, he hasn't ruled out the idea entirely, stating that it would only happen in the case of fraudulent behavior. In a surprising twist, Trump has openly criticized Powell, describing him as a terrible Fed chair and expressing his surprise at Powell's prior appointment, despite having nominated him during his first term as president. But here's where it gets controversial. Trump's remarks about potentially firing Powell come after he discussed this sentiment with certain Republican lawmakers, who reportedly voiced their support for the concept. A senior official from the White House, speaking under anonymity, indicated to NPR that Trump had signaled to these lawmakers that a termination of Powell could be imminent. This entire situation has led to a cloud of uncertainty over the market, particularly after Trump tweeted in April that Powell's termination cannot come fast enough, mere days before claiming he had no intention of firing him. It's a classic example of mixed messaging that keeps everyone guessing. Additionally, Trump's administration has pointed fingers at Powell regarding a costly renovation project for the Federal Reserve offices, as Russell Vought, the director of the Office of Management and Budget, expressed significant concerns in a letter addressed to Powell, seeking transparency about the expenditures. Importantly, Powell has maintained that according to the law, the president lacks the authority to remove him from his position before his term concludes next May. In November, he firmly stated that he would not resign even if Trump requested it, reaffirming that decisions regarding interest rates are not made unilaterally but are instead determined collaboratively through a board vote. So, as this situation continues to evolve, one can't help but wonder, are financial markets at risk because of a battle over the Federal Reserve's autonomy? Do you agree that Trump's threats are undermining a crucial institution for economic stability? Let's discuss.